Hi, in this video you will learn how to add decimals. Let's start by defining decimal. Decimal is a fraction whose denominator is a power of 10 and whose numerator is expressed by figures to the right of a decimal point. Here's an example. This part is a whole number, and this part is what we call as decimal point. Right after that are already decimals. We call this as the tens place, the hundreds place, the thousands place, and so on and so forth. Now, adding decimals are just similar to adding whole numbers. When we add larger numbers, we usually rewrite it in vertical form, which is also true for decimals. The upper portion and the lower portion of this operation is what we call as the addends. And since addition is commutative, it really does not matter if you place either of the decimals above or below. Now let's start adding decimals. Here we have 0.56 plus 0.32. Again, just like how we add whole numbers, we can rewrite the whole equation in vertical form. In doing so, make sure that the decimal point as well as the decimal places are aligned. In adding decimals, we start from the rightmost corner. So that's just 6 plus 2 and the answer is 8. Then proceed to the next place. We have 5 plus 3 and the answer is still 8. Next is you copy the decimal point and make sure it's aligned to the decimal point above. Lastly, add 0. And that's the final answer. Here's another example. Here I have 0.406 plus 0.62. So again, the first step to take is to write the whole operation in vertical form and make sure that the decimal points are aligned as well as the decimal places. Second, you add the decimals starting from the rightmost corner. If you notice, the two decimals does not form a nice column. That's because some of the digits are missing. But that's not a problem. Just remember that if there is no digit in a particular number place, then you can just add or put a 0. You can do that to take the right track in addition. So here we have 6 plus 0 and the answer is 6 or simply bring down 6. Here we have 0 plus 2 and the answer to that is 2. Here we have 4 plus 6 and that's just equal to 10. So we bring down 0 and carry 1 to the next place. Next, we copy the decimal point and make sure it's properly aligned with the other decimal point. Last, we have 1 plus 0 plus 0 and that's just equal to 1. So the final answer is 1.026. Here's another example. Again, first step is rewrite the equation in vertical form and make sure that the decimal points are aligned as well as the decimal places. Here, we can add 0 to compensate with the missing decimal place. Second, you add the decimals starting from the rightmost corner. Since 0 plus 4 is just 4, then you simply bring down 4. 6 plus 4 is equal to 10. Bring down 0 and carry 1. Now 1 plus 5 plus 3 is equal to 9. Here we have 3 plus 4 and that's just equal to 7. Next, we copy the decimal point and make sure it's properly aligned with the other decimal point. Last, we have 1 plus 1 and that's just equal to 2. So, the final answer is 2.7904. Here's a quick look of the steps that we take to add the decimals.